Sumali po ako dito sa The Voice dahil hindi lang po para sa akin pero para sa family ko po. And para rin po tumaas yung self-esteem ko kasi gusto ko po talagang makita ng mga tao na kaya rin po nilang gumawa ng ganito even though mababa yung self-confidence nila sa sarili nila. Di ko inakalang darating din siya atin. Paano nasagot lahat ng bakit? Di makapaniwala siya nangyari. Sa tapuan ni Bathala, may ginaw sa mata na di maintindihan. Tumingin kung saan, sinubukan kong lumisan at nabago ang mundo. Nung ako'y pinaglaban mo, at tumigil ang mundo. Nung ako'y ituro mo sa panalangin ko.
Surprise! You know why? She had her eyes closed the whole time.
That's smart.
Ang ganda nun kasi parang nawawala lang sa performance.
ka lang.
So okay lang naman yun eh.
Thank you
Yeah.
po.
Hello, anong pangalan mo?
My name is Antoinette Season po, from Batangas City, 16 years old po.
Nice!
We'll be right
It's not
back. That's
time
all
for
the
you
time
to
we've
make a
got.
decision.
We're done. Thank you
Di
so
ba
much.
kasi,
na.
I like
We're
it
done.
na.
Thank you so
You're
much.
thinking of time.
Oo, nagmamadali, may sinaing sa bahay. Baka abutan ng ulan ng mga nakasampay na mga damit.
Antoinette, I'm the only one hindi umikot. They probably heard something I didn't hear or could not hear. But I'm just so happy for you because whoever you choose, bagay na bagay sila sa'yo. Yung style mo, yung singing, yung powers of your voice, and then being able to bring it back the way you did, yung storytelling mo, they both can give justice to the talent you already have.
Antoinette.
Mas social pagkasabi niya ng Antoinette pa ngayon.
Antoinette.
Yeah.
Oo, what?
Antoinette lang, coach, hindi Antoinette.
Umikot ako agad, no? Like early on in your performance, I needed to watch this na. Kasi I needed someone to lift me up. That's the healing power of what we do. You talk about being an introvert. That's something I've worked with personally and I've worked with on my team. We pride ourselves, Camp Kawayan, for the past ilang seasons na as being a house of artists. A house of kids, teens, adults na hindi kami, baka they don't see themselves fit in sa ibang lugar. Pero sa bahay namin, at home sila, at peace sila. So yun ang gusto ko lang. I want you to be at peace with your decision. I would like you to be a part of Camp Kawayan.
Antoinette. Ang social naman ang pangalan niya, Antoinette.
Oh my God.
Ay, nako, sana naman tayo sa mga ganyan. Nako. Ganyan, na-appreciate ko naman. Na-appreciate ko na, umikot ako, pero ilang beses na kasi umasa ako, tas di naman din pa rin ako pinili. Ilang beses ka na sumali ng singing competitions?
Actually, first TV singing competition ko po to. Aside sa sumasali po ako sa mga amateur singing contest sa school. Pero yun nga po, never po akong nanalo since may struggle po dahil introverted po ako and mahiyain po.
Ayun.
That's why she had her eyes closed the whole time. Diba?
Opo.
Ganun.
Ako nakaka-relate ako kasi ilang beses na din akong sumali ng singing competitions. Nung una, sumasali ako para may extra grades. Pero,
Same po.
right? Pero, dumating din yung time na parang, oh my gosh, ginagawa ko na pala to because I love doing it. Sometimes, kahit walang bayad, basta pakainin lang nila ako, go ako. Kasi sobrang na-enjoy kong mag-perform on stage. Na-enjoy ko na pag bumababa ako, may mga tao na lumalapit na, alam mo, na-inspire ako dun sa performance mo. Parang yun pa lang eh, kahit hindi ka manalo, the fact that you get to inspire people with a thing that you love doing, sobrang ano na yun, sobrang parang winner na yung pakiramdam.
Yes po.
Umikot ako kasi parang ikaw yung type ng singer na pag pinapanood kita, i-enjoyin ko lang yung performance mo. Hindi ko na masyadong hinimay yung mga ginawa mo. In-enjoy ko na lang. Kahit nakasara yung mata mo, there was a connection. Ramdam ko. You were just pouring your heart out there. Hindi mo na inisip to na parang kumu-contest ka. You were just being you. And that's very important as an artist, as a singer, na nakikita ka naming nalulunod sa performance at hindi nag-iisip. Really hope that you choose me as your coach because I need someone like you in my team.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Are you ready? Here we go. Come on.
Ang pinipili ko pong coach na feel ko po is mas matutulungan po akong maaral po yung boses ko and mas fit po sa genre ko is si Coach.
Take card down.